and welcome back to my channel, XOXL. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below for more videos like this at least once a week. So this video, I'm very excited to show you guys. It is a PR unboxing for a bunch of stuff that I want to show you. All these brands are super cool, innovative. They are all on Instagram, and I'm going to link all of their Instagrams down below so that way you can check them out too. These are going to be really cool for yourself or even for the upcoming holidays as a gift guide, which I am going to do another gift guide, like an actual gift guide coming out. I've been super busy. I've been doing Instacart, and I kind of want to do a Instacart shop with me, and then I'm also going to do it from the other end of where I'm going to be waiting for my delivery to come, because I want to see the two aspects of it, because I'm the one that shops usually. So yeah, but yeah, I hope that everything's been great with you guys. Thank you so much for your support and subscribing. You guys are the best. So yeah, let's get right into this video. So the first unboxing I'm going to show you has this really cute pink tissue paper, and this is from the brand Milk and Sass, and these are the, I think they're macaron, or I call them macaroon, but macaron yeah, macaron for hair, and they are the cutest little, they're brushes. They're the cutest little brushes. They also have a mirror in them, and they just brush right through your hair. They're great for travel. They are literally adorable. Look at this little purple one. Look at how cute it is. And then I have a pink one. You just want to literally eat them like actual macarons. So adorable. They would be such a cute gift too. They're so cute, perfect for travel. Love them. Super cute. From the brand Milk and Sass. Check them out on Instagram. I'm going to link everything down below so that way you guys can check it out. Then, since we are on the topic of hair, I'm going to show you this awesome towel that I received from the brand Pony Dry. And this is the shower like you have short hair pony dry towel, and you put your hair in a bun and you wash just your roots, so that way you don't have to worry about washing this part if you don't want to wash your whole head. That way you just wash the roots and the back of your head, and your whole head doesn't get drenched. So it's super cute, super cool. I cannot wait to try these. If you guys follow me on Instagram, which is Rochelle_XOX, you will see that I've posted pictures of most of this stuff, and you will see when I use it, I'll post on there too. And also on Twitter, which is XOX_Shell. So yes, I'm super excited to try this. This is from Pony Dry. Thank you so much, Pony Dry. Can't wait! And we have 3 packs that I'm going to show you from the brand Coco Star. Super cool. The first one is the Long Hair Therapy Deep Conditioning Hair Wrap. So this is made from Korea, and it is super cool, and I can't wait to try it. You guys all know that I love my hair care. So this is the Deep Conditioning Hair Wrap. So it's nourishing and soothing treatment that hydrates. Super cool. Super excited for that. They also sent me They sent me a foot peeling pack and a foot moisture pack, which is awesome because my feet get super dry and cracked in the winter time. And these, I would use this one first. So this is kind of like if you've heard of baby foot. You put them on, they're kind of like little booties. You leave them on for an hour and a half, and then your dead skin kind of just peels off. And then this is the moisture pack. So I'm assuming that after you do these two, well, after you clean your feet first, then you use these two, this first, then this, then you'll have super soft feet. And that'll be really cool. Yeah, an hour and a half, and then this one, oh, it's like the oh, I get it. This one you leave on for 20 minutes. Super cool. Coco Star is the brand. I truly appreciate it. I can't wait to try them. I have the Glam Theory brand Derma Roller. So this is from Glam Theory. They also attached a cute silicone blender, which I have used and I like. And this is the Derma Roller. So this, if you follow me on Instagram, you've seen on my story. And this is super cool. It has 540 little tiny needles, and you literally just roll it on your skin. It kind of gets the blood flowing, tightens, everything like that, reduces pore size. You don't want to use like your serum or anything. You want to clean your skin first and then roll, and then use your serum and your moisturizer and everything, because you don't want to get this all gross. So yeah, it's super nice. It feels just like super relaxing. It doesn't hurt or anything. It's super, super cool. It'll help all of your serums and moisturizers absorb better, so I would highly recommend it. And it also helps soothe your skin. It's very cute. It comes in a little cute case. And yeah, and that was Glam Theory. Then I have 6 sheet masks from Pacifica. I actually won these in a Pacifica giveaway thanks to Allie Bear, and her blog is Honest Glam. So I'm going to link her down below, and obviously Pacifica as well. I have 2 different types. I have Pollution Fight and I have Stress Rehab. Super, super nice. These are the sheet masks, and you leave them on for like 10 to 20 minutes. And you just get like a nice absorbent, moisture rich skin that you can have anytime, but especially in the wintertime, these are going to be great. And I have this really cool box. It is full of skincare goodies, and these are from Santis, Switzerland. This is the multivitamin moisturizer, and this is the instant eye lift, and this is instant wrinkle and puffiness remover. So I'm super excited to try these. Obviously, all of the products that I'm featuring right now, I'm going to be using in future videos. I'm also going to show you on Instagram and Twitter all of the different things that I'm going to be using with them. So definitely stay tuned for more videos, and I'll definitely link these all down below. But I'm super excited, and I wanted to say thank you so much to all of these brands. I think it's super, super cool. Thank you guys for supporting me, and them for supporting me. And I just wanted to show you guys. And yeah, I can't wait to try everything out. I also have one more. I think it's one more. Well, I have two more. I have like 2 more. So the first one you have seen in my other video. This is the Witty Company massage roller. This is the jade roller that they sent me. This is really cooling, it's soothing, it's super nice. It has a lot of benefits, depuffing, smoothing. It's a little bit different than the Derma roller, which is cool. And yeah, so it's got 2 ends on it. I have featured this in a different video too, so you guys have seen that before, but I just want to show you again. Love it, obsessed. That company is fantastic. They're super, super nice too. Love them. Then we have this whole box full of skincare. It is from Nasally Skincare. They sent me a beauty regimen. They sent me a handwritten card, which is absolutely awesome. I'm also going to be doing a giveaway with their products, so if you stay tuned, make sure you subscribe, make sure you follow me on social media, and that way you'll know when that's happening. But this is all these cool full-size products. This is their Purifying Tonic Cleansing Milk as well. This is their peeling mask, which is a very good size. It's very heavy. This is the, I already opened this one, the Youth Illumination Spot Erasing and Tone Correcting Treatment. This one is the Mattifying Day Cream. And then they also have a anti-wrinkle eye cream. So I'm definitely going to feature these also in a video. I might do like a specific skincare one where I try everything out. So yeah, I'm super excited, and I truly appreciate all these brands. And also, I think I featured this before, but this is the Face Off cloth, and literally you just get this wet and it takes your makeup off, and it's really, really cool because you just get it, like, your makeup off with just water, so you don't need to buy any other specific wipes or anything. It's reusable. You can throw it in the wash. I usually bleach mine so it stays nice and white, but I think it's super, super cool. I might have, let me see if I have anything else to feature. Oh, also, if you guys have not seen White Frost Charcoal, they are a teeth whitening company. This is the charcoal teeth whitening powder that they sent me, and it's very, very nice. It works very, very well. They have a bamboo brush that you use with it if you don't want to use it in your regular toothbrush, but I also have featured this in my teeth whitening tips, so if you check that out, you'll see this in there as well. But this is a great company too. And yeah, I really, really enjoy it, and I really enjoy all these products, and I can't wait to show you guys how they work, and I just truly appreciate everything that they've sent to me, and I am just a very happy camper. So yeah, if you guys want to let me know what you want to see me try out first, definitely let me know. And yeah, definitely definitely stay tuned for my BoxyCharm for November coming out, because that one I'm actually going to be doing earlier. I'm going to be doing a gift guide, Instacart, everything like that. So yeah, definitely subscribe, and yeah, bye guys!